Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed my 3 weeks old braids into bubble braids. So the first thing I did was basically taking down my old braids. So this is like, I'm giving you guys like a little tip on how to properly take down your braids. So I sprayed water, applied my hair products, leave-in conditioner obviously, and some oil, and then I started to comb through the hair and then made sure my parts were still perfect. Okay, you want to make sure your parts are basically perfect so that the hairstyle would come out neat and beautiful, and then start to braid from the roots of your hair. If you're not so good in gripping your hair, it's best to use a rubber band to properly grip your hair. After you've braided it halfway through, then get your rubber band and then leave about 2 inches or 1, depending on how bubbly or how bubble you want your bubble braids to look like. So then you band that up and then twist the ends of the hair, the tips, and then wrap that up like a ball and tuck it into the hair. That is it, basically, as simple as that. So you want to go ahead and repeat that over and over again. So you want to just keep making sure that the sections of your hair are still neat if you're using an old braid, but if you're going to start from the fresh, then you are good to go. So I'm going to allow you to enjoy the rest of the clip. Stay tuned. And of course, you want to make sure that each bubble braids are basically equal to the next. So you want to make sure that they are basically on the same length. And for the tips of the hair, or the tip of the hair, you want to basically loosely twist and then wrap it up as a ball and then just tuck it in. Okay, that's what's going to give you that puffiness that looks like a ball. And there you have it. And there you have it. Your bubble braid is done. I think this is called Fulani bubble braids on natural 4C hair. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you have any other recommendation, any hairstyles you think you want me to try out, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Please rate me over 100. Okay, do not forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Road to 1K. Have a beautiful day. Bye.